Tired of making the same food all over and all over again? Then this groundnut soup is the perfect idea for you. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bosse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make the perfect, delicious, most flavorful groundnut soup. These are all the ingredients you need. This is our cow skin. For our protein, we're using goat's meat. This is our calabash, nutmeg, and uziza seeds. Our groundnut and fresh pepper. Our fresh fish. Crayfish and Cameroon pepper. Our stockfish and our dry fish, our bitter leaf, washed bitter leaf, our red oil, then our onion and also seasoning cube. And these are all the ingredients you need. So in the pot, we're just going to add our washed goat meat to this. Then we're going to add our onion to it. After that, we're going to add our seasoning cube, mind you, I added my ginger and garlic off camera. I didn't know it wasn't recording, so just for you to take note. Then we're just going to mix this and then allow it to steam between 3 to 5 minutes on a medium heat. After 5 minutes, this is what we have. Our meat is steamed, so we're just going to mix again. Then I'm going to add water so it can get cooked properly. Then I'm just going to cover it. While our meat is boiling, in another pot, we're going to add our we're going to add our groundnut and our pepper with our uziza seed and our calabash nutmeg. We're going to toast this, or we're going to fry it on a medium heat between 5 to 10 minutes. We're just going to keep toasting it between 5 to 10 minutes on a medium heat. After 10 minutes, our groundnut is ready. So we're going to check on our protein. So at this stage, our meat is almost ready, but it's not fully cooked. So we're going to add our cow skin and then our stockfish. Making sure it's properly seated inside the pot. Then we're just going to cover this. So remember our groundnut, we're going to add it inside our blender, and then we're going to add water to this, and then we're just going to blend it until it is very smooth. So our groundnut is ready. So we're going to check our protein. Our protein is fully cooked at this stage. It's ready. It's soft. So we're going to add our Cameroon pepper to this, and also we're going to add our red oil to this. Then we're going to mix a bit. So we're going to mix a bit, make sure it's all properly combined. Then we're just going to cover this and allow it to sit for just 2 minutes on a medium heat. After 2 minutes, we're going to add our groundnut, our blended groundnut to this. Like I said earlier, the soup is easy, affordable, and delicious. So at this stage, I'm just trying to make sure everything is well and properly combined. So we're going to add our crayfish, stir a bit. Then we're just going to cover this and allow it to sit for just 5 minutes on a medium heat. After 5 minutes, this is what we have. So just so you know, groundnut tends to thicken when it settles. So you don't want your soup to be too thick. So I always advise you to make sure there is a lot of water in it, but not too runny, because when it settles, it has a very high tendency of it's going to just thicken up. So we're going to add in our fish, our fresh fish. And at this stage, we're just trying to make sure it's well and properly seated inside our soup. And then we're just going to cover this and allow it to boil until our fish is cooked. Next step is to add our dry fish. This is ejakmanla. It's not really very dry, because if it's very dry, we would have added it earlier. So we're just going to add our manla fish to this. Then mix. And last but not least, our bitter leaf. So after we add our bitter leaf, we're just going to stir, and then we're just going to allow it to sit for just 2 minutes. Then our soup is ready. So we're just going to cover this, and after 2 minutes our soup is ready. All we have to do is just to serve. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the end. Bye.